Are you drowning in textbooks and drowning out from exam stress? If you're not, in this enlightening video, we'll delve into the secrets of the ultimate guide to stress-free studying. Say goodbye to frantic all-nighters and hello to a smarter, more balanced approach to learning. You'll discover practical tips that blend ancient wisdom with modern psychology, helping you find clarity amidst the chaos. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's dive right in together. Welcome back to our channel, your place for inspiring content. And today, we're re-diving into a topic that's near and dear to many students' hearts. The ultimate guide to stress-free studying. Ever felt like your study sessions were more of a marathon than a sprint? Or perhaps you've sacrificed your mental well-being at the altar of grades? If these scenarios sound all too familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's competitive world, students often face immense pressure to excel academically. With looming deadlines and high expectations, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed.
Ow.
But what if there was a better way? A method that not only boosted your grades, but also nurtured your mental and physical well-being. That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. But before we dive into our top tips, let us take a moment to acknowledge the elephant in the room, or should I say the brain in the books. Today's students face unique challenges. Competition is fierce, expectations are high, and the pressure to succeed can be intense. Balancing academics with extracurricular activities and a social life can feel like a never-ending juggling act. Not to mention the added stress of financial concerns, career planning, and personal growth. It's no wonder that many students find themselves feeling anxious and burned out. That's why it's crucial to adopt a balanced approach to studying. One that doesn't just focus on grades, but also prioritizes mental, physical, and emotional well-being. Imagine a student who tackles their studies with a clear mind and focused energy. They manage their time effectively, taking breaks when needed, and returning to their work refreshed and ready to learn. This approach leads not only to better grades, but also to a greater sense of accomplishment and overall well-being. So how can you achieve this balance? How can you unlock the secret to stress-free studying? Keep watching as we delve into practical tips and strategies that will transform your study experience. Get ready to embark on a journey towards academic excellence without the stress. Let's get started. But first, if you're loving this content and want more of it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and a great way to show your support. Now let's get back to stress-free studying. Are you ready to discover the key to a successful study session? It all starts with understanding your learning style. Visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner, knowing your style can significantly impact how you grasp new concepts and retain information. For instance, if you're a visual learner, consider using diagrams, charts, and color-coded notes to organize your thoughts. On the other hand, if you learn best by doing, try active recall and spaced repetition to solidify your memory. By recognizing and catering to your learning style, you'll transform from a good student to a study pro. So take the first step towards a stress-free study session. Identify your learning style and watch your grades and confidence soar. Time management, a crucial skill for students, can often be overwhelming. Fortunately, effective strategies exist to help you stay organized and maximize your productivity. One popular technique is the Pomodoro technique, which involves setting a timer for 25-minute intervals of intense focus followed by 5-minute breaks. This approach helps combat procrastination and maintain focus. Additionally, scheduling breaks can prevent burnout and keep your mind sharp. Prioritizing tasks based on importance and urgency ensures that you tackle the most critical assignments first. To further enhance your time management skills, consider using digital tools such as calendars, to-do list apps, and time tracking software. These tools not only help keep track of deadlines and appointments, but also provide valuable insights into how you spend your time, allowing for adjustments and improvements. Remember, effective time management is not about cramming more into your schedule, but about making the most of your time and achieving your goals efficiently and productively. They say that the brain is the most important organ in the body, and just like any other organ, it needs a clean environment to function optimally. Did you know that a cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind? Creating a productive study environment is essential for effective studying. Start by keeping your study area clean and organized. Minimize distractions by putting away anything that doesn't relate to your studies. Natural light has been shown to improve mood and increase productivity, so study near a window if possible. Comfortable seating and a proper posture are crucial for long study sessions. Ensure your chair is ergonomic and provides adequate support. Consider using a standing desk to alternate positions while studying. Minimize distractions by silencing your phone and closing unnecessary tabs on your computer. Background noise can be distracting, so use noise-canceling headphones or earplugs if needed. Incorporate plants into your study space to improve air quality and create a calming ambience. Use essential oils like lavender or peppermint to promote focus and relaxation. Don't underestimate the power of a clean and organized study environment. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about optimizing your space for clear thinking and focused studying. Imagine this. You're in the zone, fully immersed in your study session, when suddenly hunger strikes. You pause, grab a snack, and return to your desk. But wait, did you know that your productivity just took a hit? It's true. Skipping meals can lead to a decrease in focus and overall well-being. That's where the power of mindful eating comes in. By paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues, you can make better food choices that fuel your body and mind. And guess what? It's not just about grabbing the nearest snack. Mindful eating is a practice that involves truly savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors and textures of your food. It's a way to connect with your body's needs and listen to its signals. When you eat mindfully, you're less likely to impulsively reach for the first food you see. Instead, you become more intentional about the nourishment you provide to your body. This simple act can have a profound impact on your productivity and well-being. Remember, knowledge is power. So open those books, embrace the learning journey, and watch your dreams take flight. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget to show your support. Hit that like button, share this video with your fellow students, and leave a comment below with your top tips. Together, we can navigate the path of knowledge and empower each other to achieve academic success and personal growth. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening adventure. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep chasing your dreams.